Limited is located in GuangDong. Chaoqiang Electronic Technology Company Limited is located in Liaobu Town, Dongguan City, GuangDong Province, established in 2011 year. Our main products include metal detector, checkweigher, metal separator, X-ray machine, needle detector. Produced from hygienic stainless steel, Chaoqiang machines deliver maximum uptime at a low lifetime cost of ownership and are engineered to deliver industry-leading levels of product integrity for the busiest of food processing and packing lines. Chaoqiang equipment is engineered with the designed to survive ethos, making them one of the most reliable and robust machines on the market. Chaoqiang's inspection systems identify product defects and eliminate contaminants, delivering consistent quality, and are compliant with international safety standards and retailers' codes of practice. We are constantly striving to deliver the next generation in product inspection equipment, offering better contaminant detection and brand protection than ever before. Chaoqiang understands the demands placed on modern food manufacturers, and our service products are designed to help achieve your factory goals with maximum peace of mind. Whether you are looking to improve performance or uptime of your machines, to make sure your systems comply to all the latest standards or codes of practice, or to simply provide top-quality training for your staff, seeing a problem or opportunity, we aim to identify the solution with a positive approach, ensuring it is implemented as quickly as possible.